Hey everyone, this is Finn. We have 4 more tutorials for you today. Number 1 is simple movement. I'm going to show you how to create a simple character controller for both first person and third person point of view. Number 2 is going to be talking about input, specifically the input of your mouse, the right click and left click, as well as keys, different keys on your keyboard. Number 3 is the highly popular request of projectiles. I'm going to teach you how to take an object and using its rigid body and velocity, propelling it into the air and creating 2 different versions of a projectile, one that uses gravity and one that doesn't. Number 4, how to make a title screen, and we are going to be using scene management. And your exercise number 3, is in a new scene, so not related to the scene where you were creating your physics test, but in a completely new scene, create an object that can move in 3D space. Use one of the methods that we went over in class and recreate it for yourself. Thank you and have a great day.